Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a little project I did on the side, and I think it's really cool and it could help a lot of you guys because when I was trying to make it, there was just not enough information about it, and that's why I'm doing this tutorial. Okay, so what it does, it logins you in League of Legends client without you touching anything. You just start the exe, and it checks for the leak window if it's active or not. And if it's not active, it starts the leak client. Then it logins you with the login and password and clicks accept. So it just logs you as if you have clicked the automatic login. It works the same way. So now why would I do that? It's because I myself play on a lot of different accounts, and I find it really annoying because I have a different password for each account, and it's just a pain in the ass. So that's why I did this. It's easier, faster, and it's a lot of fun making it. So that's why. That's another plus. So okay, we're going to start right now. We have to import a few things because the Python doesn't have it in default. I'm using PyCharms, and you can download it for free. And yeah, so settings, we got a project and Python interpreter, and here we have to add the things we're going to be using. So first is OS, or is it? I don't know. Let's. I think they are the basic ones. So let's do keyboard. We're gonna install package. It's installed successfully. Now mouse. Do the same thing. And another one is PCU build. This one. I'm gonna explain what they do, or what I actually what I think they do, because no one explained it to me, so it's pretty hard. Okay, so we got those in, and now we're gonna import some stuff. We're gonna import the packages we just added. So import OS first. That's the basic one. So another import time. That's another basic one. And now the ones we added. So keyboard and mouse and PSU though. Okay, so this is all the imports we're going to be needing. Now, how do we check for, or this is what I did. The PCU util here is this code. Okay, I'm gonna copy it because I don't, you know. Okay, so this is some function. I am not sure, but it checks if this exact program is actually running at the moment. So you can actually do this for multiple things, not just the right client. I don't know, for example, you can do automated Discord something. I don't know. So you check for this program if it's running, and it returns true or false value. Okay, so this is Boolean. And now we're going to do a while with this while. Oh, sorry, wrong keyboard. I'm gonna change it. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. use something else. Okay, so name equals false. That means if the name doesn't equal false, or when it equals false, it's going to repeat. Okay. Now we are going to start the program we want to run. If it's not running, right? So, I'm gonna copy it because it's just annoying. So it looks like this. You start a file with this. So it's os.start file and the directory of the file. The leak line, I have it in this directory. I don't know where you have it, but I think it could be in the same directory because I have it in the C. So yeah. Now, I don't know how fast your PC, how long it takes for the client to start. My perfect time was 5 seconds, so I just do 5 second sleep. Okay, just 5. Okay, and now you just do the same thing because you need to make sure if it changes. Okay, if this changes to true, so you gotta check again. If you don't include this, it's not gonna check again, and it's going to be in a false loop, and it's going to do this all over. It's infinite loop. Okay. So now the things that we've all been waiting for, the mouse movement. So it's just pixels, counting pixels. So it's mouse that move, and all you have to do is just put the pixels in. Depends on how big the client is. I don't know. I have the biggest one. I have 1980 1920 1080 resolution. So if you have it on the max, it should be the same. So the x and y values are these ones. This is for the login data. Okay, so this moves the cursor to the location of the login data. Then you have the mouse that click, and it clicks in the thingy, and you just write what you want. So keyboard, the right, and you just you and the login data you have for your account. So I'm gonna just write it in data. Okay, and you rinse and repeat. Now you actually know everything you need for this to work. And I'm gonna just copy the rest because it's just the same thing over again. Okay, so it's like this. It moves to the password thing, enters the password, and then moves the continue with the login, the red arrow. Okay, and it clicks, and then you're logged in, and that's everything. Actually, it's pretty easy program, nothing crazy, but all this information was not in the same place, and that's why I'm making this. Now, how do you convert this program to exe file? Okay, so there is a tutorial. I'm gonna link it in the description below, but it works. I'm not sure with what kind of Python. I think it's the CMD version, the original. I'm not sure, but in this case, you'll have to go to the Python console, and you're gonna be writing everything here. So I think it's pip install uh like this. No. Okay, I'm gonna check it again because I don't remember. If it's, wait a minute. Is it here? Yes. I'm sorry. It's not the console. It's the terminal. So pip installer install py installer, and this is actually installing the py installer. That's going to convert the py file, this main.py, the exe. Okay, so how are we going to do it? We're going to write py installer. Now we're going to turn it to one file, so it's a one compile file. And now we just add the project we have, so it's main.py, and now it should convert this file to exe. Okay, so let's try it. So it's doing something. I'm going to bring up my PyCharm projects file. Okay. So here it is. Okay, so what it does, it does the build and this thing. If it's a big compiled file, with different, you just check the tutorial. It's going to be in there. He explains way better than I do. But everything you actually need to know is that here is the exe file, and you can just rename it to the name of the account. So something, and you can put it on your desktop, and this way you are logging in with your account. So you just double click it and it does all the things. Okay, so this is everything for this tutorial. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Okay, so here I'm going to show you how it works. You just double click it. This comes up, and it just logs you in, and that's it. That's everything. Thank you for watching, and bye.